Before I show you the next letter they send me, we need to see the full picture so we can really get an understanding of how crazy this is. All of this started because Roblox sent me a cease and desist for catching predators on their platform and reporting them to law enforcement.
That they would then video, they would report to the police, and then only after would they let Roblox know.
The real reason why they sent me a cease and desist.
Ok, u suštini, evo sad, kao to je kritika. Prvo zoveš policiju, uhapsiš pedofila, napraviš video o tome i tek onda kažeš Robloxu. Kakve veze ima? Policija je prva koja treba da se obavesti ukoliko je počinjen zločin. Onda možeš Robloxu da se obratiš.
This letter is because what I'm doing contradicts the image that they're trying to build. An image that is the safest place for anyone on the entire internet. That's not me paraphrasing either.
Ultimately, Roblox is the safest place for anyone on the internet.
We can say that safety issues are not widespread or systemic on Roblox. Our guiding vision is to create the safest, most civil community in the world.
I u tome je problem. Umesto da prihvate da postoje neki izuzeci i da porade na tome da ih eliminišu, oni su odlučili da sve gurnu po tepih i da kažu ne, kao to što vi čujete to su laži. To se ne dešava. Naravno, ljudi nisu glupi. Mislim, ok, ljudi jesu glupi, ali pojedinci nisu glupi. A ima gomilu pojedinaca među ljudima.